J'espère que l'épisode 10 il va être bien. Normalement, l'épisode 10, dans mon souvenir, enfin dans mon souvenir, je l'ai pas vu, mais si c'est tout ce qui, si ça se passe comme ça doit se passer, normalement l'épisode 10, hop, on est de nouveau avec la femme. Tac. Alors que je vous explique InFrame pour ceux qui les nouveaux, etc. InFrame, c'est un c'est un documentaire photo d'à peu près 40 minutes, 1 heure, où on suit un photographe souvent renommé, en tout cas depuis le début ça a été des gens renommés, donc des photographes connus, qui voilà, visite une partie de la Corée du Sud. Et du coup, ils font des photos dans cette partie de la région de Corée. Et voilà, on les suit, et du coup, ils documentent leurs photos, et on découvre aussi un pays, tout en découvrant les photos d'un bon photographe, tout simplement. Et ça, c'est un documentaire qui a plus de 10 ans, mais qui est toujours aussi intéressant, et je trouve ça ouf qu'il soit pas connu, justement. Donc voilà. Hop. Et on va pas perdre plus de temps, je vous enlève la musique, si elle veut bien partir. Voilà. Et on est parti. Hop. Je vais vous mettre le son un peu plus fort. Voilà, là on va être bien. On va être très bien même. Ouah, ça commence de l'hélicoptère.
Every journey starts with the act of motion itself. It can even be the most exciting part of a trip, building anticipation for what's to come.
Ouais, donc on est de nouveau avec la
It's not
fille.
until you
C'est
see
cool.
the actual destination
J'avais bien aimé
that it
sa partie
starts
avec
to
elle.
feel real. Rising 2,000 meters out of the ocean floor, this mysterious volcanic formation is called Tokto.
Maintenant tu fais ça au drone, hein. Bon, peut-être pas aussi haut quand même le drone, faut pas abuser.
It is Korea's farthest eastern point from the peninsula.
Putain, c'est beau.
The
On dirait la
quite small
Bretagne.
and solitary,
Le breton.
this lonesome collective of islets
Le breton pur souche. On dirait la Bretagne. Waouh.
as a national icon of pride, endurance. Its history has become legendary, ingrained in the local consciousness.
Oh, mais genre, ça commence direct par une pub. C'est une dinguerie d'avoir fait ça, hein. Habituellement, on n'a jamais de pub. Et là, on se tape une pub dès le début. En plus, artiste, j'ai déjà. Donc bon, ça me sert pas à grand chose.
Intrigued by its mystery,
C'est quoi la
Anas
barre là?
wanted to see
Elle est
Tokto
stylée, mais
for
ça sert à
herself.
quoi?
She shot carefully, with a meticulous, analyzing eye. It was clear she did not want the typical island images.
Attendez, bougez pas. J'ai plus de batterie.
Even Hanwon couldn't resist taking a few shots of the islands. It's difficult for civilians to get permission to set foot on Dokdo, much less photograph it from a helicopter. But Anas, always a
J'ai plus de batterie, je vais pas avoir de retour de
wanted to do
stream.
everything she could while she was here. There
Oh,
would
il faut
be
qu'il se mette la caméra à
no missed
6%.
opportunities.
J'ai rien suivi, qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Hop.
From her perch in the sky, even her concerns were momentarily
Voilà, on est mieux
allayed.
comme ça.
Well, no, because I didn't realize first.
Voilà, donc là, la photographe, hop. Mince. La photographe, c'est Agnès Derbey, je sais pas comment on dit, c'est une photographe, merde, je sais plus, française, je crois, qui a fait pas mal de photos et qui est très connue. Donc voilà, si vous voulez voir, on avait déjà regardé son travail. Donc ça, c'est dans... Vous pouvez le retrouver sur la chaîne YouTube, c'était l'épisode 8. C'était dans l'épisode 8 d'Inframe. Donc voilà, ça se retrouve. Je vous laisse fouiller et tout, si vous voulez voir le premier épisode avec elle. Mais c'était vraiment un épisode trop cool. On avait découvert le game de l'éventail, et ça, je peux vous dire, c'est un vrai truc.
Well, no, because I didn't realize first. I mean, I was more excited to fly instead of. But I didn't notice first that we were already. I had not understood that we were arriving to Dokdo, so I was not preparing myself. Oh my god, I'm gonna see Dokdo. I have other pictures where you see just the island, but the reason why I chose this one is because that's something I like to do. It's to put, okay, this is dead space here, for instance, but you understand that you're inside somewhere, and when you are the viewer, you have a sense, it's as if you are yourself in the helicopter seeing this foreground. So I often try to put the viewer into my own shoes, or vice versa. One thing also
Elle est française, voilà, on sait.
Dokdo from the helicopter is that
Oh, ils
you
ont un
can
giga
see
truc en
all
fait
the
pour
coast,
monter les. C'est un monte
how
charge, je pense.
clear and beautiful the
Pour
water
éviter de faire
is.
les. Ou un téléphérique.
It would have been a bit high, but it's really, really beautiful.
Agnès Derby
Ah bah voilà,
is
on
a
voit ces
French
images.
photographer. She travels to conflict-torn areas, documenting history and people.
Les images, elles sont
to share those
incroyables.
images with the
Je sais pas si on
world.
va voir une des images
It
que
was
j'avais
her
vues la dernière fois,
passion
mais
and
qui était
courage
incroyable.
that earned her the prestigious Robert Capa Gold Medal. Korea, in particular, is significant to Agnès as she was born here and later adopted to a French family. There were a few stops to make before they could reach Dokdo.
Yeah, so we are here. Ah, can you feel it?
Yeah, I never landed on a boat.
yeah. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
환영합니다.
네, 네, 고맙습니다. 저희 너무 재밌었어요.
아, 예, 저 앞으로 더 재밌는 일이
아.
있을 겁니다. 계기로 올라가시죠.
네, 네,
예, 가시죠.
네.
Ils ont l'air trop cool, les deux gars. Ils ont vraiment l'air trop
This
sympas.
1,500-ton ship is one of Dokdo's patrol fleet, an affiliate of the Korea Coast Guard.
Mais c'est quoi Dokdos? Je comprends pas là. Peut-être qu'ils ont expliqué quand j'étais parti. Doc. Rocher-Liancourt. Ah, ok, donc ça même pas le Rocher-Liancourt. Le Rocher-Liancourt, également appelé Dokdo ou en coréen ou Takeshima en japonais, sont un petit groupe d'îlots situés en mer du Japon, contrôle de facto par la Corée du Sud, mais revendiqué par le Japon. Ah, ça commence bien. Faisant l'objet d'un contentieux non résolu entre les deux pays, ils sont aujourd'hui rattachés par l'administration de la Corée du Sud à l'île d'Uelengo, distante de 87 km dans la région, ok. Et par le Japon à la commune d'Okishima dans la région distante de 150 km. Ouais, bah frère, c'est beaucoup plus loin. Ah, ok, c'est là. Corée et Japon. Ok. Le nom occidental Rocher-Liancourt fait référence au baleinier français, le Liancourt, qui partit du Havre découvrir l'archipel en 1849. Le nom français a servi de modèle au nom anglais Liancourt Rock, espagnol Rocas. On est obligé de mettre du français partout. Hein. Vraiment, genre, on s'en fout. Moi, je veux savoir qu'est-ce qu'il a d'intéressant, ce caillou. Ils me disent alors, c'est nous qui avons donné le nom parce que nous sommes français. Ah ouais, merci, mais c'est pas ce qui m'intéresse. Selon la CNT, la rocher de la forme du rocher est la plus conforme à l'origine de ce nom. Cependant, on rencontre plus fréquemment une variante sans préposition Rocher-Liancourt. Eh, mais il parle que de ça. Ouais, c'est peut-être aussi parce que j'étais dans toponymie. Il y a peut-être une raison au fait qu'il parle que du nom du rocher. C'est peut-être pour ça. Dans géographie, on aura peut-être plus de trucs qui vont nous intéresser. Alors, les rochers en cours sont principalement constitués de deux îlots rocheux escarpés de distance de 150 mètres. La superficie totale est d'environ blablabla. Ok. Et ils nous disent pas à quoi ça sert. L'îlot occidental consiste à un pic unique et présente de nombreuses qualités de long de la roche. L'îlot oriental possède des falaises de 10 à 20 mètres de haut. Il existe deux grandes grottes s'ouvrant sur la mer ainsi qu'un cratère. La végétation est presque inexistante. Ok. Le temps changeant rapidement dans les zones rend les accès difficiles et aléatoires. Souvent, les navires ne peuvent accoster à cause de forts vents de nord-est en hiver. Sinon, le climat est chaud et humide, fortement influencé par le courant océanique chaud de la zone. Les précipitations. Le voilà, c'est ça que je vais nous chercher. Le rocher de Liancourt était inhabité à l'exception d'une petite garnison de garde-côte sud-coréenne Ah, et donc c'est ça le logo qu'on avait vu, non? Estimé à une trentaine d'hommes et de gardiens de phare. Mais en 2006, un couple de civils coréens, un pêcheur et son épouse, largement aidés et subventionnés par le ministère coréen des Affaires maritimes, est venu s'installer sur l'île occidentale. Ouais, en fait, c'est vraiment genre, ils mettent du monde et des civils, parce que ça permet de revendiquer beaucoup plus que l'île leur appartient. Donc c'est pour ça que ce couple-là a été aidé. C'est qu'aux yeux du Japon et aux yeux internationaux, si t'as des civils qui y habitent, c'est que c'est plus ton pays qu'un autre, quoi. Au sommet de l'île occidentale se trouve un phare, un sémaphore. C'est quoi un sémaphore? En français, lors de sa création missionnaire amiral, le sémaphore était un poste de défense. Ok. Avec un radar et diverses antennes radio, les logements de la troupe et une plateforme pour les hélicoptères. L'ensemble est protégé par quelques batteries militaires. Les Coréens ont construit un quai entre cette île et des rochers avoisinants, à l'entrée du passage séparant les deux îles principales, permettant d'accueillir de petits navires par temps calme. Ok. Est-ce qu'on se lit revendications et histoire? Je lis rapidement et je vous dis. Ouais, c'est un peu le bordel. C'est les États-Unis qui sont encore dedans, quoi. Mais c'est un peu le bordel.
Vessel patrols the sea around the islets year-round. Aside from border control and other guarding duties, it also
Ah, c'est quand même des
performs
grosses îles,
rescue
hein.
missions during stormy weather.
This is Doctor.
Yeah.
그쪽에 보면은 독도에 보면은 건물 같은 거 있잖아요.
네.
그쪽이 저기 막 그 동도고
네.
이제 건물 없는 게 조금 높은 게 서도. 그러니까 동쪽에 있어도 동도, 서쪽에 있어서 서도.
네, 네.
예,
Bien vu, ça.
방향이.
And just to have it, because I'm terrible with maritime distances, how far are we from Dokdo now?
지금 거리가 한 4마일 정도. 그러면은 8km 정도.
It's our first time to see Dokdo, actually. No, not in the photos or videos.
The first time for you.
Yeah, of course. It's first time for me too.
해양 경찰도 처음 저 임용해갖고 이 이제 그 승선해서 독도를 이제 경비하러 오잖아요. 그래 그만큼 이제 우리가 이제 독도의 중요성을 갖다가 이제 상징하고 앞으로 이제 우리 땅을 우리가 잘 지키겠다. 그런 식으로 이제 그 새벽에 아침에.
Non, n'empêche, aller sur un bateau militaire, c'est stylé, ça.
독도를
Hein.
보고 절호합니다. 그런 전통이 있습니다. 예.
I didn't really think that I would actually come and see Dokdo.
The place to be. No, it feels very special. That you have to wait, you're on a ship, you look at the ocean, the sea, so it gets to you very slowly. You have time to appreciate the waiting.
Putain, ça me redonne envie de partir en mer là, quand je vois l'eau
to the
comme
heart
ça.
of the ship, finally entering the bridge. But everyone was quietly absorbed in their work.
배를 운전하는 곳이 함장님이 계신데 누구 이제 한번 찾아보시죠.
혼장님?
The woman.
아, 여자 한장.
That was my first guess. That was my first guess. Yeah, that was my, yeah. You didn't hear?
Really? Okay, okay.
And then,
Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
여성 함장님이 많이 있나요? 저는 정말
최초입니다.
최초예요?
네.
She is the first female captain.
Oh yeah.
Of course, God.
How long have you been captain?
1 year. This ship is my first ship.
Your first one.
Yeah.
Okay. With a great mission.
독도는 우리나라의 해양 주권의 상징이라고 생각을 합니다. 그래서 항상 독도 경비를 하러 나올 때마다 설레는 마음이 들더라고요. 왜냐하면 독도는 바라보기만 해도 그
100%.
신성한 기운을 우리가 느낄 수가
Merde.
있습니다.
100% le plan avec les jumelles, ça a été fait en mode ouais, est-ce que tu peux nous faire un plan où tu fais semblant de regarder avec des jumelles? Ça se voit à 10 000 lieues qu'elle a fait
그래서
semblant.
저는 우리 해양 주권의 상징 독도를 지킬 수 있다는 것에 대해서 무한한 어떤 책임감과 사명감을 가지고 있습니다.
Well, thank you for having us on your boat, on your ship. Sorry. Really, really an honor. I've never done it, so I've been on an helicopter before, but never landed on a ship. And to be here, it's intriguing.
She seemed more proud to be guarding Dokdo than of her achievement of being Korea's first female captain. And working under her, the crew of 50 men and women all felt the same dedication to their role as a protector of the island.
But I don't see any waves either.
배에 함장님 배에 민간인 방문객이 있었던 적이 있나요?
Faut pas l'air d'avancer très vite, je sais pas combien de nœuds ils avancent là, mais ça avance au
항해중에는 처음이신
ralenti.
것 같습니다.
저희가 처음인가요?
No, it's already really, really great. Really super cool to be here.
너무 좋아하는데요.
They all had such staid character.
Yeah, don't smile. She is the only and the first captain on Korean coastal police ship ever. So people are concentrated, they're serious. I like the darkness here, which I didn't retouch either. It was just the way it was because the light was on her. But aside that, she moved me as being such a pioneer. The thing is that this woman, she's working in a world of men.
Ils sont combien dans le bateau?
And this is something I can relay because most of the photographers are men. And when sometimes you work in a tense zone, there's only men most of the time. So I'm not a feminist at all, but I just like to push for that, to encourage people, like with my work and as much by showing this picture of her.
The pair transferred to a small speedboat. It would be the final step in their long journey to Dokdo.
Vraiment, elle est en vacances, elle. Elle est trop
Within a
contente.
short meeting, the impression the Coast Guard made was deep, but the tinge of regret at parting was more than made up for by the excitement to reach their destination.
Et ce que je comprends pas, ce que je comprends pas, c'est que tout à l'heure on les a vus arriver en hélicoptère et là ils sont dans un bateau. Je comprends. Ah, est-ce qu'ils sont pas arrivés en hélicoptère sur le bateau peut-être? Je sais pas, en fait, j'ai cru qu'ils arrivaient en hélicoptère sur Dokdo, mais peut-être pas en fait. Ils arrivaient sur le bateau, c'est-à-dire qu'elle est venue en hélicoptère sur le bateau pour aller à Dokdo, quoi. Oh là là, le bilan carbone de tout ça.
We are here! Finally!
It had been quite a trip already, transferring from helicopter to ship.
Ouais, c'est
and
ça,
now
hélicoptère,
speedboat.
bateau.
Perhaps because of this, Dokdo seemed even more distant, unreal, more precious to the two travelers. Aness hesitated, taking her time to finally click the shutter.
Mm.
Finger! Impress! Impress!
Dokdo's isolation makes it all the more alluring, yet for all the barriers, it's still an idyllic island. Dongdo, the main islet, is typically off limits to civilians, preserving its rugged beauty.
Ok, ça c'est bien.
I never take verticals, you see.
Wow.
Wow, she's so pretty.
There was hardly a sound except for the crashing of the wind and the waves. How would a conflict photographer
Par
see
contre,
the
il est
calm
tellement
landscape
érodé
from the rocks?
le caillou avec le vent, je pense,
I
j'imagine.
noticed that usually you don't just take the picture of the nature, right? How about here?
Yeah, well, it's not only here, but yeah, it's hard not to take any photos.
Yeah,
But then it's the typical picture that you think, oh, it was so much better on the
I
reality.
know.
Sometimes it's just better to leave it like this. I mean, it's so special. Sometimes it's like when you write in a diary, then you only remember the words that you wrote into your notebook. I mean, diary. Like we're not 8 years old anymore, but
Yeah.
and the same with photos. I mean, if I can get some photos of the tourists later, yeah, that would be a way. That's another way to say that this is special.
Yeah.
By showing people who come, especially to this place, or maybe some of the policemen. But the landscape, I've done it, but I know I will not show it.
Okay. Yeah.
Aness took a couple of posed shots, but
C'est quoi?
typically prefer to stay outside the tourist role.
Okay.
Relax.
Yeah. Me too.
Mais c'est quoi?
My precious. Thank you.
Que pour moi, c'est une pierre tombale ce truc, hein, donc.
Several maritime facilities can be found on Dongdo.
Non, il
though
était
there
trop.
are few
Non,
actual
mais attends, mais il était trop bizarre ce plan, tu vois. Tu vois juste la meuf qui est là à s'appuyer sur un caillou qui ressemble à une pierre tombale et il parle pas plus, tu sais pas ce que c'est. C'est ouf ça.
residents.
Et j'ai l'impression qu'il est trop mal monté là depuis le début, j'y comprends rien du tout à cet épisode.
Protecting the peace here are 50 guards watching from their tower. The fierce young watchmen are on duty around the clock because it's a job that can get
Ah, c'est
quite
beau quand même, hein.
dangerous.
Regarde ça là. Rien à l'horizon.
Oh, tomb.
What are these?
그래서 근무하시다가
네.
돌아가신 분들 위해 세운 기석인데요.
네.
수도가 바람이 많이 불고 파도가 많이 치는 지역이라서 보통 돌아가신 분들이 다 절벽에서 떨어지시거나 바다에 휩쓸려 가시고
저 사진가가
Despite all its dangers, Tokdo is a coveted placement among the young men doing their mandatory military
Putain, elle est belle
service.
la tombe.
They undergo a strict screening process to be considered, and only a few dozen are eventually selected.
Ça me fait penser à ça, je sais pas pourquoi j'y pense là tout de suite, mais c'est comme j'aimerais trop, genre, vivre, enfin pas longtemps, tu vois, genre en mode, je sais pas, genre j'allais dire taf d'étudiant, je suis plus étudiant, mais genre, tu sais, taf de saisonnier ou quoi, genre dans un phare. J'aimerais trop vivre, ouais, 1 mois ou 2 mois dans un phare. Je me dis, ça doit trop être une expérience incroyable à vivre. Et voilà, tu vois, ça va être chiant sur le long terme, mais genre pendant quelques semaines, quelques mois, ça doit être vraiment cool, tu vois, d'être gardien de phare comme métier. C'est vraiment quelque chose que j'aimerais trop essayer, tu vois, genre vraiment le côté solitude, où t'es tout seul avec la mer, etc. Franchement, je pense que ça doit être quelque chose qui doit être agréable à expérimenter, que j'aimerais beaucoup expérimenter. Je pense qu'il y a vraiment moyen. Donc voilà. Si, voilà. Petite bouteille à la mer. Si quelqu'un d'entre vous a un phare, si quelqu'un d'entre vous possède un phare, peut-être que y a moyen qu'on s'arrange. Je sais pas. Voilà, dites-moi, appelez-moi je vais pas vous donner mon numéro, mais envoyez-moi un petit SMS. Et puis voilà. Enfin, un petit SMS, un petit message sur Insta ou quoi. Et on peut s'arranger. Enfin bref, reprenons.
Korea sends only its top-form soldiers, but even for some assigned here, actual trips to the island are rare.
How long?
Mais il a un bouchon sur son arme là.
I mean, guarding the outpost.
지금 45분째 됐어요.
45분, 45 minutes. 한 번 나오면 얼마나 있어요? 보통?
2시간 정도 있는데 지금은 좀 특수한 상황이라 지금 2시간 반 정도 있어요.
So he really wanted to come here too.
이왕 군 생활할 거 좀 더 고생해서 좀 더 성숙한 사람이 되고 싶었고 또 경비대 하면은
En fait, ce que je trouve ouf, c'est que bon, après, je me rends pas compte, tu vois, du caillou, s'il est vraiment genre, s'il y a un vrai risque ou quoi. Mais tu vois, je suis en mode, genre, vraiment, il faut une surveillance active de ouf, tu vois. Je trouve qu'ils font une vraie surveillance active de la zone. Après, si c'est un endroit contesté, pardon, je vois pas, mais tu vois, j'ai vraiment l'impression que bah, c'est plus contesté de façon politique que de façon militaire, quoi, et que jamais il y aura un bateau japonais militaire qui va venir récupérer Dokto. Donc je me dis, c'est vraiment, tu vois, genre pour montrer sa force plus qu'autre chose, quoi. C'est ce genre de truc que j'ai du mal à comprendre, tu vois. Je me dis, c'est tellement de temps et d'énergie gaspillée pour pas grand-chose. Mais bon. Après, tu vois, lui, en soi, du coup, enfin, je me rends pas compte, mais je me dis, ça doit être cool, tu vois, tu vis sur une île. En soi, c'est cool, je sais pas trop, parce que ça doit être chiant quand même de passer 2 heures par jour à regarder du vide. Ouais, franchement, je suis pas sûr en fait, hein. J'allais dire c'est cool, tu vois, tu fais pas grand chose, mais au final, entre faire des choses qui changent, voilà, qui sont peut-être pas ultra intéressantes, mais qui changent, et où tu fais vraiment quelque chose d'utile, et juste regarder l'horizon sans jamais rien voir, ouais, je sais pas ce que je préfère, franchement, hein. Enfin, si, je sais ce que je préfère justement, c'est faire des choses. Mais voilà.
적심도 많이 생길 것 같아서 괜찮아요.
And so you don't get too lonely here? Do you get too lonely here sometimes?
외로워질 때도 있긴 하지만 그분들끼리 이렇게 같이 그 외로움도 이겨내고 같이 가족처럼 잘 지내고 있어요. 때문에 그런 거 있어서 잘 문제가 있어요.
Thank you again.
But the guards do get visitors in the form of tourists who arrive 5 times a day. Dongdo was open to outsiders in 2005, but for security reasons, travelers are only allowed a brief 20 minutes
Ah ouais,
before they
attends,
have
c'est
to leave
court.
again. They can't even leave the port.
Ah ouais, en plus. Oh là là.
It's a once in a
Attends,
lifetime opportunity.
ils sont à combien de kilomètres? Ils disaient quoi? C'était, on avait vu de la côte, c'était... Merde, j'ai oublié. C'était quoi? Ils étaient à combien? C'était 65 kilomètres, non? Merde, j'ai fermé... Ah mais non, je suis débile. Attends, ils étaient à 90 kilomètres. C'est-à-dire qu'en gros, 90 kilomètres, je pense, vu le bateau qu'ils ont, ça leur prend peut-être 2 heures. Ouais, je pense que ça doit leur prendre beaucoup plus même. En voiture, tu vois, un bateau, il y va pas à 87 km/h, ça c'est sûr, hein. Ouais, ça doit leur prendre 2-3 heures, je pense, de bateau à faire pour atteindre l'île, et ils peuvent rester que 20 minutes sur le port en plus, et après ils refont 2 heures dans l'autre sens. 2 voire 3 heures dans l'autre sens, quoi. Ah, et elle dit c'est une opportunité d'une vie, mais... Ah ouais, moi, ce serait vraiment pas mon délire, hein, de faire ça.
Of these people, and they aren't going to pass it up on the perfect shot for anything. Dokdo rarely gets good weather, which means tourists can only visit about 40 days out of the year. Most of the time, the waves are so strong, ships are forced to turn back, unable to even dock.
C'est drôle avec les deux gardes armés.
I think this is not what I expected because we've been spending so much time full of respect for Dokdo story, and I see everybody, to me they look like little ants, and everybody wants to get a picture, and rather than taking the time to feel the place. That's not what I expected. And well, it's a pity. I think they have to travel so many together because they can't really have the chance to enjoy the place peacefully like we did.
But Ines empathizes with the tourists and takes some more photos herself.
Dokdo tourists, South Korean tourists. I mean, because I traveled in other countries, I've seen Korean tourists, and I don't know any other type of tourist who takes so many photos with their telephones. Actually, I understand Dokdo is very important for Koreans, but when they got off the ferry, it was like chaos. Chaos of colors and chaos of cameras on their phone. And that one, I was like trying to be funny, but like somebody is pointing as if it's there, it's interesting, but this is where they take the picture.
It's an experience for both tourists and guards. Though over in a flash, a trip to Dokdo makes for a significant milestone.
독도관리사무소에서
네.
독도를 이렇게 방문하신 분들에
네.
관해가지고 기념으로 고이고이 간직하실 수 있는 그런 이제 명예주민증을 저희들이 준비를 했습니다.
고맙습니다.
여기가 송동.
감사합니다. Honorable citizen card for Dokdo. They have your Korean name here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, here it's your Korean, not Agnes David. It's Song Dong-hee. You have
Oh,
your
even more special. My first ID card as Song Dong-hee. I became a Korean citizen on Dokdo.
Oh, right. Oh my God, that is so symbolic.
The two were given an additional honor, a visit to Sado, the other main island.
Là où normalement t'as pas le
Just
droit d'y aller.
150 meters away was an even more remote sector, a place most people aren't allowed to traverse.
Ah, la chance. C'est ça qui est incroyable quand t'es photographe, hein. Je le répète tellement de fois, mais c'est ça qui est incroyable quand t'es photographe, c'est que la photographie, c'est tellement un passeport universel. C'est-à-dire que tu peux aller dans plein de zones où tu aurais tellement pas le droit d'aller si t'étais pas photographe, quoi. Et parce que t'es photographe, parce que t'es journaliste, ou etc., t'as le droit d'y aller, quoi. Moi, tous les endroits où j'ai pu aller grâce à ça, je suis en mode, ah, c'est vraiment le plus beau métier du monde au final, hein. Juste pour ça, vraiment, juste pour ce passeport-là. Et c'est vraiment genre, tu vois, elle a le droit d'aller là parce qu'elle est photographe, parce qu'il y a la télé aussi, etc. Mais voilà, parce qu'elle est photographe. Et c'est vraiment, c'est magnifique, quoi. J'adore ce métier. Je sais pas. C'est une ode à l'amour, une ode à ce métier, une ode à la photographie.
Stop.
Right here.
Yes. Oh look, there's passengers, tourists.
Passenger boat.
Yeah,
The tourists.
but they're not on this island.
Water, earth, and the sky above.
Ah,
Dokdo
pas de photo du
comprises
ciel.
the most basic, enduring elements. It's said to
Ouais, elle est trop bien,
symbolize
le trou
the
et
essence
tout.
of the country's own spirit. And, rising from the ocean, it offers a unique view from its place amidst a canvas of deep blue. One can understand the people's dedication to such an enduring form.
And there's our ship. Our very special ship.
Very special, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that we came from so far.
Me neither. You know, anything hard to get is more attractive.
Yeah.
But I'm here, and I feel this is
Korea.
actually beautiful. I mean, because it's actually beautiful.
Yeah, and I guess it's not only about the island, it's also about the border.
Yeah.
But it's very symbolic, yeah.
Uh-huh.
And the most easterners part.
Yeah,
I don't know how to say
it's the most part of Korea. At first, why did you choose to come to Dokdo? Why did you want to?
Oh,
What was
it's,
the reason?
that was the historical reason.
Historical reason?
With Japan.
Oh,
Yeah.
that thing, yes.
I mean, anything that, I don't know why, but it's not that I like, but I get hooked when I hear historical conflict kind of stories.
Yeah.
And I also like parts where nobody else can go. I mean, it has happened to me many times with this job. Not because I would have the privilege to go on a coastal police ship, but sometimes just because you have to travel and spend a lot of time walking, and in order to reach
Ah, elles sont
your
tellement
point,
bien ces photos.
you see things
Oh là
that
là là là.
other people don't.
Elle est
And
trop
this is why it's
forte.
also important to document
Yeah.
and to witness and to bring back evidences and photography. I mean, that's what I mean by
Yeah.
photography.
Yeah.
Dokdo aligns perfectly with the places Annes is most drawn to. Its distance from the peninsula, the rocky journey to get there, and, of course, the people one meets along the way. That's what makes Dokdo unique. At this easternmost point is where the rising sun first greets the land. Just 87 kilometers from Dokdo in the East Sea is the volcanic island of Ulleungdo. Each morning, rows of boats return to Jodong Port, a major Ulleungdo harbor. They have each spent the night fishing for squid. Jodong has earned the nickname Squid Port, as it is Korea's largest market for squid. Each day is marked by bustling activity, with fishmongers preparing and distributing the fresh catch. Annes is entranced by the rapid handiwork of the women, who gut and clean the squid in a flash.
So many squid.
Ça me rend trop triste de les voir tous découpés là, hein. Oh là là, ça me désole. Et en même temps, ça me donne faim. Parce que j'adore le calamar, même si du coup j'en mange plus. Je mange plus de produits de la mer. Mais là, oh là là, il y a là là.
Most of the squid go straight to auction, Buyers and fishermen haggle fiercely over prices as a market becomes a makeshift battleground. Negotiations, hard bargains, and deals are finally reached as the auctioneer works. Inez captures a photo that conveys her own thoughts. The people here, in all their seriousness, look more like black market merchants than fishmongers.
I love markets. It's always good pictures. Like if I arrive in a city or in a town or a market, I would always go to the market. People have such strong faces. I really like.
Witnessing the
En vrai, elle a raison,
process,
tu vois.
the start of
Le
the
marché,
fishing
c'est
trade
toujours là
and
où tu vas avoir un
liveliness of
peu
the
l'âme,
city was exactly what the
l'âme de la
photographer
ville,
was
l'âme
looking
du pays,
for.
etc. Donc en vrai, elle a raison, tu vois. Si tu veux prendre la température et tout, c'est hyper bien d'aller au marché
Even though the fishermen have been at sea
de
all
l'endroit.
night, the first thing they move to land isn't their tired feet, but the squid. Precious cargo procured by hard labor and sweat.
Quel connard!
For you?
But I don't know how to eat them.
He shared his catch with the onlookers.
Après, j'ai rigolé, mais il joue quand même avec la nourriture, hein.
I'm the winner! Kamsamni! Where is it? Kamsamnida!
We need some kind of bag.
You have no choice.
고맙습니다, 아저씨. 네, 잘 먹겠습니다.
The generosity of the locals. The pair had a chance to learn about the people's livelihoods, the difficulties and challenges of life by the sea.
사장님 이거 뭐예요?
Ah, pas de chance, il fait vraiment pas beau en termes de lumière.
Ink from the skin?
They all have it, right? They all have it.
Yeah. 근데 오징어 가격이 날씨에 따라 달라져요?
날씨가 좋으면 잘 마르잖아요. 그런데 비가 오면 기름 불 건조장에 이어갖고 비가 오면 가격이 많을 때 그런데
Although the fishermen would lose profits selling on a cloudy day like today, instead of blaming the weather, they take it all in stride.
C'est une dinguerie, c'est-à-dire que ils vont pêcher alors qu'ils sont sûrement à perte, c'est-à-dire qu'ils butent des animaux pour au final pas gagner d'argent. Ça me... J'ai pas les mots, quoi. Ouais. En fait, je suis en mode... Pourquoi ils partent pas sur un autre type de pêche ou un autre métier, tu vois, pendant la saison des pluies, et ils font ça à la saison, tu vois, à la bonne saison? Je sais pas. Ça me paraîtrait un peu intelligent, non, de faire ça. Parce que là, s'ils pêchent pour être à perte, ça leur sert à rien, quoi. Ils perdent de l'argent, ils perdent du temps.
They work as hard as ever, tough, and with a strong sense of pride.
Ulundung squid market early in the morning. I wish that would be just a little bit sharper, but it's actually okay. You have a lot of movement. It's just market. So market is chaos. They had to hurry because the squid have to remain.
Quand elle dit pointu, là, c'est pas genre... Non, c'est qu'elle voudrait un peu plus de netteté, un peu plus de grain dans l'image, tu vois. Que ça soit plus agréable à l'œil, tu vois, parce que là, c'est un peu flou, etc. Elle voudrait que l'image elle soit plus texturée, en gros. Enfin, moi, je le comprends comme ça.
Fresh, they're real ajumas, hard work, fast, lots of things happening. It's like for me, it's very much like the Korean woman who's fighting no matter what. Anyway, there are a lot of things that say that ajumas, they fight for their family and they're the best.
Considering the rough, sculpted terrain of Ulleungdo, there's still one surprising feature.
Wow, this is rather flat at last.
Yeah. Actually, this is the only flat land in Ulleungdo.
Yeah.
And this was where the first village was.
It's very round.
This
surrounded by the
mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
This is the caldera of the volcano.
Ok.
It's almost like a different land.
This is what I learned from school.
When villagers first settled here 130 years ago, they used stones to protect their homes from strong winds and rain.
Ah, le poids qu'il doit y avoir sur les poutres et tout. Franchement, t'as plus de chance que ça s'écroule, hein.
It reminds me I know it's different, but the roofs of the Hanoks village houses.
It's
Same.
like this color.
Yeah,
Yeah.
kind of black, gray, shiny.
I like this roof.
The weather was proving to be something to contend with. A heavy fog was already enveloping the mountain, bringing a chill
pleuvoir.
to the late summer day.
Let's go. Go down.
As they walked, Hanwan and Anas discovered another element of local life, agriculture.
아저씨 안녕하세요.
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 지금 뭐 하고 계세요?
지금 소목이 하고 있습니다.
There's a diversity of vegetation here, including medicinal greens that villagers eat and use as livestock feed.
1년 12달에서 여기는 겨울이 한 6개월까지는 겨울이라고 봐야 합니다. 5월 말까지는 아직 눈이 있으니까요. 그러니까
네.
겨울용 소목이를 준비를 많이 해요.
아, 그렇구나.
The herd-fed cattle are unique to this region.
Halo. Wow. Look at
Mais
their
elles sont
fur.
giga maigres, leurs vaches, non? Oh, elles ont un peu l'âge en fait.
안녕.
Hello, gorgeous.
맛있는 거 먹어. 냠냠.
Wow, tiger.
Yeah.
Tiger cow.
Yeah, that really looks
Yeah.
like tiger.
Oh la la, you're beautiful. Their eyelash is are very long.
So beautiful. 근데 소들은 얼굴이 정말 되게 순하고 착하게 생겼어요. 보고 있으면.
원래 이 칙소가 하수가 조금 거칩니다. 옛날에 육지에 있는 사람부터 이런 사람
Anas took an immediate liking to the yaksul, whose healthy look was owed to the fresh diet and the farmer's compassion. Mr. Ye himself had been drawn to the land for its languid pace and tranquil ways, leaving behind his hectic life in the city 4 years ago. He's been farming on Ulleungdo ever since.
You can. And he was very gentle. He actually
Et
played
du coup,
music to his cows.
Du coup, à part leur pelage, elles ont rien de particulier, ces vaches. Enfin, après, tu vas me dire, leur pelage, c'est quand même une grosse partie de la vache, mais c'est tout, quoi. En soi, genre, elles ont le même lait ou la même viande, enfin, je sais pas.
Which is really lovely, but I like the moment where I caught him because he looks concerned and it's hard work to be a farmer nowadays. And Ulleungdo is kind of difficult weather, so everything in this life is difficult. But they're all eating and it's full, everything is.
Les photos, elles sont cool. Ouais,
Why?
cool.
He's done his job. But the thing that really, seriously, the thing that really impressed me was the fact that this man and his wife, they were not farmers at all before. They come from Daegu, if I'm not wrong, and they moved on Ulleungdo 4 years ago. I just kind of like the idea that people in their mid-age or 40, they change completely their life. That's the power of the island. They change their life and they come here and they start a new life. It's quite impressive, yeah.
Their
Sûrement.
long day
J'ai
winding
pas
down
40 ans,
to a
donc
quiet night.
je vais pas débattre
Hanwan
avec elle.
and Anas recharged with a meal of the local specialty.
Ah, bah on va savoir si la vache, elle avait un goût précis ou pas.
They couldn't help but feel a tinge of remorse, but the pair decided to honor the sacrifice.
So this is the meat from those cattle that we saw.
Yakso.
Yakso. Yeah, it is. I'm curious about the taste.
Je pense à ça, mais c'est un truc de ouf. Mais depuis que là, j'ai regardé Beastar comme animé, et depuis que j'ai regardé Beastar, tu vois, là ça m'a vraiment pensé, genre, en mode, de quand ils allaient manger et qu'elle a dit, ouais, ils ont. a fait une cérémonie, mais tu sais, il faut honorer la viande. Et j'étais vraiment en mode. Ça m'a fait penser à Beastar où en fait c'est genre les carnivores et les herbivores qui vivent ensemble et il y a tout un problème où les carnivores bah, en fait ils ont des pulsions, ils veulent manger les carnivores, ils veulent manger les herbivores ont peur. Et là j'ai vraiment eu dans ma tête j'ai vraiment eu ce truc là en mode ah là là il faut honorer la vie perdue et tout. Voilà. Et en soi
Yeah, me too.
How
genre
it's different?
en soi je me dis tu vois la vache qu'ils ont caressée peut-être elle qui est là, hein. Bon ça m'étonnerait quand même mais parce que le temps là de couper et tout non mais voilà quoi c'était une de ses voisines.
Let's try. Oh, it smells so good.
Okay,
Bon
so
appétit.
bon appetit. Like this, like this. And that's it.
Ah, ça me donne
First,
faim.
I want to just the meat.
How do you say I'm happy?
In Korean, 나 행복해.
I'm always happy when I eat great food. So we are starting, I mean, this is a very good time, I think, to cheer. So to cheer up for the rest of our trip.
Yeah, we should do that. This is for the rest of our trip. And for a
For
very
the-
good travel mate.
Yes, and for the future many trips to come together.
I like that.
Mhm.
Cheers.
They relaxed with
Yes.
thoughts of future travels. The dynamic topography of Ulleungdo was proving to hold several intriguing secrets. In one corner of the island is a sculpture garden dedicated entirely to topography. Said to be the first of its kind in Korea, Yerimwon is actually the handiwork of just one man.
이거 사진 작가?
네, 사진가예요.
사진가?
네, 네.
아, 같은 아트메이네. 외국 한번 못 나가본 그 몸이지만 내가 최고 먼저 가고 싶은 나라가 프랑스야. 그래서
Good choice.
오늘도 좋은 친구 한 명 또 만나게 됐네.
네, 그러게요.
아.
네.
Felled trees are a common
J'adore les
sight here,
sculpteurs.
given the island's
Ça va
exposure
être bien,
to
là.
the elements. So Mr. Park gives the trunks new life, turning them into sculptures of the Korean alphabet.
J'arrive pas à me rendre
It's
compte
his
si c'est
greatest
physique. Enfin,
source
je
of
pense que c'est
pride
sûr que c'est
to be
physique.
able to
Mais à quel point c'est
introduce the
physique
beauty
d'être un
of
sculpteur?
both Ulleungdo and Hangre.
But I was wondering, like, how long did it take him to build and design everything?
그 지금 여기가 처음에는 그냥 그 저 위에 있는 밭처럼 그냥 더덕밭이었어요.
Ça a l'air trop beau. J'aimerais trop aller visiter cet endroit.
지가 지금 한 10년 가까이 돼요.
Well, it's beautiful. Really beautiful.
Like others before him, the sculptor left behind 2 decades of service in the Coast Guard to begin his life anew here.
The color is like
It's crazy that such ideas and art came out of.
out
I
of
mean,
him,
like,
you know.
yeah, I
And
mean,
he didn't study any art.
like, and I guess if you want to be a policeman, I mean, I don't know, but the policeman,
Par contre, je viens de citer ce qu'elle a dit. C'est genre pas un délit de faciès, mais de ouf quoi. De ouf que tout cet art soit sorti d'un mec qui est policier, tu vois. Genre qu'un mec qui a pas étudié l'art. Ça, c'est horrible ce qu'elle a dit. Je crois qu'elle s'en est rendu compte parce qu'elle s'est arrêtée en pleine phrase. Elle a fait tu vois ce que je veux dire, hein. Ah là là, dans la sauce. Agnès dans la sauce.
know they don't really think like artists. So, but who knows? Maybe you spend so much time on the sea.
Voilà, elle rame, hein, je peux te le dire.
But it's pretty nice, and
Yeah.
everything feels so well balanced.
There certainly seemed to be an enchantment about the place, a sense of mystery that pulled in outsiders. One of the most prominent adopted Ulleungdo citizens is Lee Chang-hee, a legendary folk singer.
Welcome. 안녕하세요. 여기가 아니었어요?
Hello.
you're 아니었어. 오케이. 가만히. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Great to meet you.
Oh là 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 là.
I was going to meet.
Oh là 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 là. Le gars, tu sens. Je peux pas m'avancer, mais tu sens qu'il est sûrement très problématique, hein. Oh là là, comment il lui a gobé la main. Putain, c'est chaud ça, hein.
You, so I brought you a special, very special bottle from France.
Thank you, thank you.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
You call this place heaven or?
Yeah, I call it heaven, cause it is heaven.
While we were coming here, we have been listening to your songs,
Mm-hmm.
and she was so happy. Yeah.
But it was old songs, about 40 years old.
I remember the first time ever I listened to them. I really remember how I felt. And there was this particular one I was talking to you about, the last one of the album, that I felt, I mean, I don't know, I felt very like home and very cuddled and very moved, even if I cannot understand the words. And
Thank you.
no, really, it's a great, great honor to meet you.
Lee Jung-hee, an icon of 1970s Korean folk music. He's known for combining simple yet poetic lyrics with soft
C'est lui
melodies.
derrière? Non, c'est John Lennon qui avait derrière en image.
His impact was such that
Oh,
even
j'espère.
today, fans still come to visit him and relive the old days. His home has even become a bit of a landmark on the island. This lush estate is all his. The pond, the structures, and the gardens created under his own design.
Come in here, come in here. This is my heaven. Today's a little bit windy.
Ah, c'est
but
beau.
when it's not windy, it's just like a mirror. You know, everything's
Yeah.
indeed here.
The sky.
And
it's
the
good, and
stone.
it's good for drinking.
Inez had an opportunity to take portraits. Though always a professional, she was always anxious to shoot such an icon.
Yeah, this is my idea. Actually, you know, they build some small stages. I like drinking wine, especially drinking wine in the night. So I play guitar or some, you know, the Korean traditional instrument here, and drinking, party. For that purpose, I made a small auditorium here, amphitheater here.
Là, les bois, ils sont en
15
super bon
years
état.
ago,
Hein.
this was a spot that started
Les
it
bois,
all
les bancs.
for Lee.
Il ne va pas y avoir beaucoup de
It's
gens
where
qui
he
s'assoient.
first fell in love with Ulleungdo
En même,
and
en
its
même temps, c'est
beauty.
genre, j'arrive pas à comprendre, c'est sa maison, genre c'est son jardin ça ou ça se passe comment? Et du coup, si c'est un endroit privé, c'est logique, genre personne vient, tu vois, genre peut-être le soir il vient juste faire de la musique et il y a rien quoi. Ou ça serait bien, tu vois, celui il vient faire la musique et les gens, et genre c'est un endroit ouvert où les gens ils peuvent juste se poser et tout. Je sais pas. En vrai, ça serait trop bien si c'était la deuxième solution. En mode, tu vois, genre il habite pas loin, il laisse cet endroit ouvert au public et juste certains soirs il vient pour faire un concert. Après, le problème, c'est que ça poserait des gros problèmes comment dire, de sécurité pour lui, et enfin, plus de vie privée, tu vois. Ou si tout le monde sait quand ils habitent, tout le monde serait là à squatter son amphithéâtre. Ouais, c'est vrai que ça pourrait être chiant. Je sais pas. En vrai, il faudrait qu'il ait ça, mais que ça soit quand même plus loin. Mais du coup, ça le ferait chier de se déplacer, c'est pareil.
And what does it say?
Oh, this is, you know, I wrote a song, right, about the Ulleung Island,
Yes.
right? Ulleungdo is my heaven.
What does it say? The song?
It has, you know, when you live a life, tough life, you don't you worry because you have a lover or whatever, yeah? And when the storm comes to your life, but don't you worry, Ulleungdo is you.
Ouf, la tourista. La tourista. Oh, elle y est allée à fond. Hein.
He held a special concert for the two travelers. After months of listening to his music in France, Inez finally had a chance to hear it live.
Ouais, c'est John Lennon, le tableau derrière.
This rare, heartfelt experience transported her to another time, another place. But she didn't rest for long, eager to catch the warmth of the moment in her lens. That human connection Inez so often seeks filled the room through his voice.
What does it talk about? The last song that he played?
Basically, the idea of the song is that I can do anything for you. For you, you know, somebody that I love. So he wrote this for
Non, pas pour
his
toi.
wife at the time.
Okay. So it's, yeah, he says it in such a nice, gentle, not pushy way. You know, usually he would be like, I can do anything for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like, so special.
It is. I cannot believe that.
Just for us. It was a great time. It's always difficult to take pictures of a great concert, and it was just for us. Private, yes. So it was, I don't know, the picture is always disappointing compared to the moment, but I like it because it's kind of graceful, and you can feel his character that is very much giving, like with opening his arms like this. It's better than just like do or smiling at the camera. Yeah, it was just an amazing moment. I don't know him for long ago. This year, I listened to his songs, and this is exactly his songs, his music. This is very much how I feel about Korea.
Ah, c'est quand même beau, hein. En fait, c'est très montagneux.
Yeah, last time I came here, it was really sunny, and so everything looks so sharp.
Yeah.
Even those trees on the cliff, we could see them.
It feels very dramatic right now. I love it.
Inez took advantage of the brooding clouds while she could.
When I go see something like this, something amazing, then I feel I want to share this feeling with somebody.
I see something, or I feel something, and it's never. I feel more lonely if I am with somebody, and of course the person I am with is not going to feel the same way,
Right.
and it's completely normal otherwise. So I used to feel more lonely because being faced to that. So then I prefer to be on my own.
Yeah.
But now I'm older, so I'm capable to travel with people again.
Then, was it okay traveling with me?
En fait, on est plus sur deux potes qui discutent qu'un docu-photo, là. Hein.
It was very cold and windy and spooky. I mean, I really like the photo. I'm not a landscape photographer, but I really like the picture. And I know that often you would wait to get the photo with perfect sunshine or perfect sunrise. But me, I prefer when it looks stormy and dramatic like this. And just, I think with such a weather, you can feel how far away and isolated you are. Ulundung is really far away. It's very isolated, it's very beautiful, it's very special. And the nature is very important. And because of this light and the weather, you really have the feeling that it's a wild, I mean it's not so wild, but it's very powerful.
Il y a toutes les lumières qui s'éteignent là. C'est bientôt la fin. Hein.
After the frenzy of the morning squid trade dies down, the island's energy moves to nearby Todong Port Market. The live fish here is perfect for more bargaining, or even better, dining. The variety and selection can be overwhelming, but it's hard to go wrong with anything here.
So I guess this is the night market?
Yeah. So if you want to have some fresh seafood, this is where you should come.
What do you recommend?
I guess at least once you should taste the fresh squid.
I knew you were going to
because that's from Ulundung.
Elle va pas la remballer, hein.
You can see.
Yeah, what's that?
There is monge. I don't know the English name. It's monge.
Pineapple. C'est drôle ça. Les ananas de mer.
Okay, let's have it too.
But first, Inez saw a shot.
저 친구는 프랑스에서 온 사진가거든요. 그래서 저랑 같이 한국 여행하고 있어요.
Korean wine. Try.
You met them right now.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah.
Of course, bonding over a drink always helps.
Yeah.
Very good.
Ines is always a natural, taking to local customs without hesitation.
오케이. 맛있게 드세요. 고맙습니다. 네. 네.
Enjoy your meal.
En vrai, quand t'es allergique à quelque chose, je pense pas que tu peux faire ça. Imagine, tu fais ça et c'est un truc auquel tu étais allergique, genre t'es allergique aux cacahuètes ou des trucs comme ça où il y en a un peu partout.
I think this is my best picture of the whole trip. I want this woman to be my mother. No, I like the lights, she's hard, you can feel that life is tough, but she's so focused, somewhere else perhaps, but it's a photo that is very open to your own, to the viewer interpretation. It's the hard
Ouais, je vois, elle est trop bien son image.
You are in a market,
Je valide.
not in a very
Je valide.
rich place, but the whole atmosphere and the way she looks like leaves you
cramé, non, en
the
termes
space
d'image.
to make this picture your own.
와.
Oh, wow.
와.
오, 감사합니다.
고맙습니다. 네, 고맙습니다.
A mouth-watering spread of the island's best would help mark their last night together.
소주 주세요. You understood?
C'est quoi, soju? C'est genre de la bière
I
coréenne?
know my classics. Yeah. Great meeting you. I'll try that.
Yeah. The flavor is quite strong. I'm not gonna tell you. It's your first time. The flavor is really unique, right?
It feels a little bit like oysters.
Ah bah c'est pas pour moi, hein, je vous le dis.
And when you go on working somewhere that you have never been, do you usually try to taste the new food?
J'ai l'impression que cet épisode-là, on est plus sur de la nourriture que de la photo hein, depuis le début là.
Yeah.
Me too.
Entre les marchés et tout.
I love food, so.
Yeah, that is the way to travel, have the
Yes.
food.
Ah et la caméra elle
And
s'éteint
it helps
encore.
to meet people.
Vraiment que je règle ça. Hein.
The thrill of the unknown, of discovering new tastes and ideas, is a draw of travel. Most often, the best trips end right as we start to understand, right as we begin to feel at home.
Il y a ce que vous faites seul.
Oh la pub qui arrive à la fin.
À votre façon.
Pourquoi ma souris en plus elle est là?
For Ines, this had been a chance to return to where she was born. Though not her first trip to Korea, she'd seen and experienced so much of its culture during her stay. Perhaps even more than some natives. But what impression had it left?
Yeah, this is the last day of our trip.
Yeah, but it was great. Really great.
And there were a lot of things that we did first time in our lives.
Yeah.
This was your fourth time to come to Korea, right?
Yeah.
Fourth time. Do you feel differently after this trip? About Korea?
Obviously, yeah. You can't spend not so much, but quite good time, intense and dense time without not changing your mind. And with this trip, I really I feel like I got to not the heart, but maybe the roots of South Korea, because starting with its industry of fishermen and squid and being closer to the nature, Dokdo and being Dokdo or Ulondong, it's because these islands have been created by volcanoes.
Yeah.
So they're super, super ancient.
Ah, c'est vraiment beau, hein. Je pense que c'est la meilleure partie
I don't know,
du,
it
du
feels
docu,
like
ça, la première sur le
I can
docu.
imagine that the country would not have been the same if without this kind of geography.
In the end, we're all products of a struggle to find balance between our families, our worlds.
So even though I know
Merde. Est-ce que vous pensez le truc qui a été fait là, c'est la prod qui l'a fait pour faire avec l'image ou c'était là avant? En vrai, il y a moyen que ça. Je pense pas que c'est la prod, mais il y a moyen. Il y a un petit moyen quand même que ça. Il y a une petite chance que ce soit la prod.
traveling a lot and for just a few days and you're tired, but my spirit feels pretty
yeah.
good right
Oh,
now.
yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
like
Completely.
yeah, I can stay here longer.
I could.
That's how I feel.
Yeah, maybe we should wait for the typhoon.
Yeah. Yeah.
That could be fun.
Yeah. That's gonna be another story.
Any journey can be made easier with the accompaniment of a good friend, even in the midst of a typhoon. Anez had come to Korea in search of more knowledge about the history and discovered a trove of its traditions at East Sand, where a clash of waves and lives mingle inextricably, and the best companion is one who'll stay for the duration.
Bon. Bah, il était bien. Il était mieux que celui d'après. Après, je trouve qu'il y avait pas assez. Il nous manquait de photos, tu vois. On a beaucoup voyagé, nous ont montré pas mal de choses, mais je trouvais que on n'a pas parlé assez photos sur cet épisode-là. L'épisode d'avant, enfin, d'avant avec Agnès, la même personne, on avait beaucoup plus parlé photos, c'était beaucoup plus cool. Là, tu sentais que c'était beaucoup plus le côté touristique de Corée plutôt que le côté photo. Donc, je suis un peu déçu là-dessus, mais franchement, sinon, ça va, tu vois, c'était cool comme épisode. Bref. Il est quelle heure? Pardon, je lisais juste un message qui s'est fait bannir. Il est quelle heure? Il est 18h30. Bah, les gars, on va s'arrêter là-dessus, hein.